Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, hello friends, welcome back again with me. So today I will show you my portfolio. This is actually my LinkedIn. Why I use LinkedIn for my portfolio? Because it's have like some simple and good workflow when you want to update or add something when you achieve some goals. Actually, there is some reason why I not use some conventional portfolio, or I used to call it a slide portfolio, because the first thing first is I'm not good at designing stuff, and the second is I rarely to open Figma and manage that portfolio and some others reason. And yeah, that's why I choose LinkedIn to become my portfolio. By the way, if you wanna connect my LinkedIn, you just search my profile in the search bar, and you will find my profile. So, without any further than do, let's go to the main topic. So, the first thing that you will see in my LinkedIn, it's the like some description, that is network engineer, CCNA, MTCNA, MTCRE, and RCNA. Actually, I have some more certificate, but I'm not yet to update it because I forgot. And and then my education is still in IDN boarding school for almost 5 years, and then I have 500 more connection. Okay, I will scroll down through my profile, and it and here is my about. You can read by yourself. I will not read it in front of the camera, but you can read by yourself. And then there is, I made some activity or some posts. Actually, all the posts is all my project that I do recently, and there is a lot of project that I do. Actually, I built this LinkedIn profile from 10th grade. The oldest post is my first certificate, that is MTCNA, and the latest post is about Ubuntu server that I'm installing the PHP my admin to my client. And then I will explain it all my project later, but I will scroll again and explain my experience first. So my first experience is member of Social Affair Division, or in Indonesia we used to call it Humas, Hubungan Masyarakat, in IDN Student Council. It's almost 1 year, 10 months, but after that 10 months I'm quit because of some reason. I gained some public speaking experience and how to get some sponsorship while I'm being a member of social affair. Big credit to Bang Firja that become my leader and all the social affair division. Yes, this. Yes. And next is the MTCNA trainer at SMKN 2 Surakarta. This is in Solo. Oh, 2 Surakarta. This is in Solo. There is nothing special about it. It's just the regular IDN teaching, and I will not explain more because maybe some special point that I learned Japanese language in here. So I can speak a little bit Japanese. And the next is IT trainer at Sekolah Republik Indonesia Tokyo, or SRIT. This is one of my most favorite, most far, and almost it's in this experience. Why? Because I'm teaching internationally, going abroad to Japan, Tokyo, in Meguro. Like, this is one of my meaningful moment also in my life, because I meet new friends, new people because I love socializing. Uh, I meet a lot of new friends and I meet a lot of teacher that very expert when they teach in street. And the next is trainer IT Supercamp at ISC or Indonesia Science Center at TMI or Taman Mini Indonesia Indah. Let's say I would say this experience is the most hard in teaching. Why? Because this happened while I still a junior high school, and the teacher give me some materials that I never learned about before it. The teacher is give me task to teaching Unity while I'm not learn while I not learn it anyway, but actually I have some training from Mas Aji or Pak Aji, like maybe almost 2 until 4 weeks before I teach here. So I would say this is the most hard Eden teaching that I ever done. Next is about my education. We will not talking deep about it. Now I'm schooling in IDN boarding school, my beloved school, and all my friends. This is our most beloved school. Yeah. And then let's talk about my certification. Yeah, this is the most. Maybe I will flex it to you all in the camera. So all my certificate actually it's from multi vendor. Let's say the first certificate is Mikrotik Certified Network Associate. This is my very first international certificate. Actually, let's say technical certificate that issued by Mikrotik Latvia. In here, I learned new thing about networking because of I not have some basic about networking. I learned many things in Mikrotik Certified Network Associate, such as LAN, static routing, some ROS interface, and others. And the next step from Mikrotik Certified Network Associate, there is Mikrotik Certified Routing Engineer. In this certificate, I deep learn about routing, such as let's say RIP, OSPF, BGP, static route, and EGRP. And I think there is not for me there is nothing special about this certificate because you can have it when you training at Eden ID, so nothing special about it. The next certificate is RUIGI Certified Network Associate. I get this certificate when I still in holiday time. There is two type of RCNA. There is routing and switching, and wireless one. Because of RUIGI, it's like very widely produced their network equipment. There is some access point and there is some routing and switching stuff. So they divide it into two types of RCNA. There is routing and switching and wireless. And the next is the CCNA certificate. If you see, there is 4 CCNA, but the actual CCNA is this one, and all of this is from Netacat or Cisco Networking Academy. Because before you wanna take the exam of CCNA, you must complete all of the courses that Netacat give to you, and then you can get the discount up to 60%. And about the CCNA, Cisco Certified Associate, I would say this is the most stressful certificate that I ever take because I prepared it like maybe almost 1 to 2 months before take the exam, and I must learn about 500 540 page of Cisco materials, and that's why I will say Cisco CCNI is the most stressful certification for me. And the next is, or the lastest one, is the Fortinet Certified Fundamental. So actually, I learned Fortinet because of my metri. Today, it's Fortinet. I learned about Fortinet. So I took the course from Fortinet e-learning and take the Fortinet Certified Fundamentals. And maybe about my skill, I will not dive into that. Maybe let's go to my project. Okay, I will explain my project maybe a little bit from the lastest one to the oldest one. Okay, so let's. This project. Wait, I forgot about the project. Oh, this project is actually I do for my client in Wonosobo. That the client asked me to install some PHP My Admin dashboard because of before it they manage the site is bare metal from the Ubuntu server. So to make it like more user friendly, they asked me to install the PHP My Admin. And the next is about the uh, NIN project. So I installed NIN in VPS Ubuntu because of my client. This is the same client, by the way. Is one to implement some social media automation using NIN. So they asked me to implement it on their social media ecosystem, and maybe I make the workflow and let's say that the system is around 2 until 4 days. Okay, and then this is my activities, not my project. Actually, I took a part in IDN Open House 2025, became the cameraman because at that time the media team running out of members, so they asked me to help them to documenting all the Open House 2025. The next is about the computer based test system or CBT. Actually, this is the first time I'm exploring, or I would say it ngulik Ubuntu server because of the CBT is implemented in Ubuntu server in the VPS, and that's why now I very love Ubuntu server because the system is very good. Next, this is my activities also to become media team again in Kurban last year, Idul Adha last year. Maybe that's all of my project. Yeah, that's all of my project that I can tell to you. And then thank you so much for listening all my portfolio. And then the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.